Hi, welcome to Turner Time. This tutorial is on how to use Copilot to create PowerPoint presentation on a particular topic. If you have Premium Copilot version, you can quickly create a presentation with a simple prompt. This process is shown in PowerPoint with Premium Copilot version and on Windows 11. Let's learn how you will do that. Open PowerPoint app. On the start, it will show you the option to create with Copilot, blank presentation, or choose from other templates. Even if you choose blank presentation, you will still get the option to create with Copilot. I will select Create with Copilot. It will show the prompt window, and I am going to give it very simple instructions. After that, you can press Enter on your keyboard or click the arrow button to run the prompt. So we can see here that Copilot is working on that. This may take a minute or two. It is asking to select a presentation style. If you have saved a style for your organization, you will see it here, and you can choose it. I will choose Suggested, and left-click Generate Slides. It has generated slides for me. Now it is showing me the options to keep it if I like it. Or the other option is to delete it. I like what it has created, so I will left-click Keep It. And I will change its view from slide sorter to normal. It has created a beautiful presentation with images in a minute. This can save hours. I will just review and edit it. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-788-463.